Champ Barbecuers. Today we're cooking up some sweet corn on the kettle. Oh hell yeah. Corn on the cob, can't beat it, but we're using Gator Shake on a few of these hunks just because it's awesome. So in this cook, I already cooked and I had the air gap diffuser in my Weber Kettle 26 with that basket I got from Slow Hand over at the Woodshed and Barbecue. Should have taken the diffuser out, I believe, with sweet corn. It would have cooked a lot faster and just plumped it up better. But either way, rub them down with oil, Gator Shake all over it, and that was amazing corn. Corn on the cob is that time of year. Oh, hell yeah. What do you guys think? Corn on the cob? Yes, yay, no, yeah. Oh, hell yeah. I'll bet you. It's one of those summertime treats. But sometimes you can get it for a good 8 months around here. I don't know where they're shipping it from. But hey, it is what it is. Gator Shake, corn on the cob. That's amazing, folks. And a prior cook of corn on the cob that I tried. I'm going to add this in as well. So I did some corn on the cob, smashed up Cool Ranch Doritos, dumped that on top. I should have rolled it at the end, but hey, it is what it is. And I cooked it in the Pit Boss in a Dutch oven, one of those rectangular Dutch oven pans. Came out okay. But lesson learned, I know how to make it better. So that's the only way you learn. You got to try new things, try new stuff, and then you figure it out. And that's the way we roll. That's cooking. That's just the way you do it. There's the corn, split it. It's the 2nd of May, so finding good corn on the cob, it's hard. I found 4 ears, so those were the best ones I could find. Chopped them in half. Let's get these ready, oiled up with canola oil, and then we're going to crush up some Doritos. Cool Ranch, sprinkle them all over there. They have some grease in them. We're going to throw them in the Pit Boss real quick. And yeah, about 20-30 minutes tops. Going to have some awesome street corn. Oh, hell yeah. Cool Ranch, corn on the cob. Oh, hell yeah. Man, that's not too bad. Early in the year. Actually not that bad of sweet corn for being May 2nd. Man, that's not that bad. This train flying by is. Man, not too bad. Something different. Cool Ranch corn on the cob. Oh, hell yeah. Next, I might try spicy nacho. But if you roll it in it, it's even better. But I was trying something new, cook it with it, because of the oil in the Doritos. I figured would crisp it up a little bit more. Not so much. It is what it is. Subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is. Oh, hell yeah.